CATCHW8, Complete CATCHW8 Management ERP.
How manufacturing module works in CATCHW8. So select a CATCHW8 product. First we have to enable manufacturing tab. For that, click on inventory from the product form. Here you can see manufacture, click on it. Now save it. Next we have to add bill of material. So click on here, you can see a tab, click on it. Now we have to create the bill of material. So click on create button. Now we have to add the quantity and the CATCHW8 quantity to the. So add the quantity and the CATCHW8 quantity. Now next we have to add the component for the product. So click on it. Now add the component for the product cake. Enter the quantity. Enter the CATCHW8 quantity. Now we are going to add next component. Here you can see these are the components for the product cake. After entering these components, you have to save. The components can be either CATCHW8 or non-CATCHW8. Now go to manufacturing module. Then click on operation. Select manufacturing orders. Now click on create button to create manufacturing orders. Now we have to select the product name. Here you can see quantity to produce and the CATCHW8 quantity to produce and the bill of material is automatically generated. After that, save it. Now you can see the components. The consume components and the CATCHW8 to consume components are shown here. Now click on check availability. You can see the reserved and CATCHW reserved. This means the enough components for manufacturing the products. Now click on produce. Now click on record protection. Now you can see here the production is done. The status is in progress. To make done, you have to mark as done. After marking done, we can see the status change to done. You can see here. Now you can see the consumed materials here. Then click on finish product tab. This is the product we choose for the manufacturing. You can see the done and the CATCHW8 done. This is how manufacturing works in CATCHW8. Same as we can see the inventory moves. So click on inventory moves button. This is the inventory moves. the components, like the components of the products, are moved from stock to production location, and the main product after the production, it's go from production to stock. This is how manufacturing works.
Get more details and demo. Connect us. Powered by Technaureus.